Hi, and welcome back to VoiceOver Startup. I'm Jeremy. Please take just a minute, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and give us a thumbs up. This is my second video in a day. It's crazy, but I wanted to talk about another thing that I've been observing lately, and I touch on this in another video that I think is entitled "Are You a Puker or Don't Be a Puker?" And let's talk about that. Remember, a puker is someone that talks like a radio guy, like the stereotypical disc jockey with the phony affected voice trying to make yourself sound bigger and badder than you actually are. And there's that, and then there's also what I call falling in love with your voice. And those are the people that talk in such a way like they think their voice is so powerful, and they're treating it like, it's some precious gem that they don't want to hurt, and they'll do this delivery that's like, it's like you're just supposed to hang on their voice. Guys, I don't mean to shatter any illusions, but the quality, the sound of your voice is the least important part of being a successful voiceover artist. It really is. There are all kinds of voices. I've mentioned this. There are people with lisps and other speech impediments that are phenomenal voiceover talents or voice actors because they know how to sound natural. They know how to sound conversational. And that's what people are looking for. Okay, they don't want the big, now if you've got a great, and some people just have beautiful voices when you hear them talk, they're just lovely voices, but if that's all they've got, man, that's super boring. What people want is a natural conversational read. They don't want it to sound like a read. They want people that sound like real people. So worry less about your voice, okay? Be yourself. Worry less about your voice. And the last thing you want to do is try and fake it and make it sound like something that you're not. And I've worked with guys in radio that are like that, that they're talking to you just like this 1 minute, and then they turn on the mic and they're like, "Oh, thank you for tuning in for all." And it's like, dude, what are you doing? You don't even sound like a human anymore. People don't talk that way. So be real, be genuine, use your real voice. Worry less about how great your voice should sound or how bad it sounds. Don't worry about that. Use the voice that God gave you and focus more on being natural and authentic and genuine. What do you think? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on VoiceOver Startup. Bye-bye.